Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can install Termux in 2023. So right now, if you are having any recent phone with the latest Android, if you go to Play Store and try to search Termux, you will not find anything. Let's open this phone. I have connected this with Visor. If you want tutorial and that, you can comment below. So right now, if I try to search Termux, and if you see, you will not find anything here in the top results. There is Termux terminal is there, but it's not the means proper Termux. So to install the Termux, we have to use one other app store. So let's do that now. For that, you have to just open your Chrome, and here you have to search F-Droid and hit enter. If you search this, you will find that the second link is related to Termux, and just click here. And let me open it in Chrome itself. And if you scroll it below, let me just zoom it a little bit. And if you scroll it below, here it's asking to download F-Droid. You don't have to install this application. You can just scroll a little bit below. Here it's a link to download the APK. So now just click here, and it's downloading our APK. It's going to take a little bit to download it completely. It's 97.03 MB, so depending upon your internet speed, it will take that much of time. So for time being, I will fast forward this video while this downloads. Yeah, you can see that our APK is downloaded. I'll just double click it and click on install. It's going to take a few seconds to install, so let's wait till then. Now you can see Termux is installed successfully. So here it's asking me to install a secure version, so we can just ignore it. And now let me search if it's there. Yeah, you can see Termux is there. Now if you open it, it will get open like this. So let's zoom it out a little bit, and let me just close down this keyboard. So as you can see, our Termux is installed successfully. Once it's done, we have to just let me clear the terminal. You have to run few commands. One is apt update, and let it get updated to the latest version. It's done. Now apt, we have to run the second command as apt upgrade. It might take some time to update, so let's wait till then. If Termux asks for your input while upgrading, you can just keep everything as in default and just click the enter key. Yeah. So Termux is upgraded successfully. Let me clear the screen. Now you can install Python and other things, and you can do your stuff with Termux. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you can hit that like button. If you don't, you can hit that dislike button. For future videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.